Hi, this is Sive Morten with the daily update on EuroFX. I post my exclusive market overviews with the key political and economical events, charts and important levels on the ForexPeaceArmy.com forums weekly. This short video is a response to rapidly changing situation on the currency markets and should help you to stay on top of the game and be profitable. I suggest you to visit ForexPeaceArmy.com forum and read my analysis for the week before watching this daily video.
Welcome everybody guys, today again we'll take a look at the Great British Pound because on the euro currency you can see, I will show you just in two screens. So market has hit the OP, it's our weekly large ABC top OP target, and market also has reached the 127 extension and most recent retracement on the daily chart. So currently we need to see for the reaction. Anyway, it's not a good idea to sell right at the oversold area. Anyway, we need to see some pullback here to get good entry opportunity. Overall thrust down is perfect, as on the euro currency, as on the dollar index, as you can see. Here's also market has hit the OP, and as well as the euro is taken out with the previous extreme points. So currently we need to see what will happen. Whether this will be maybe some kind of the wash and rinse on the dollar index, or at least some minor pullback here could happen. So you could consider that bread and butter is on the dollar index is on the euro, which you like more. But currently, as market just has hit these targets, we do not see any reaction. So you can see here is also XOP has been hit, but market just stands here in some consolidation, so nothing really is going on yet, and we need to wait a bit more and see what will happen. That's why today we again will take a look at the cable. So take a look on the daily chart. Actually nothing has changed, so we see same minor pullback out from there. Market keeps, well, shy bullish trend here. It's mostly flat consolidation in the shape of this downside wedge or triangle or something of that sort. And while we are waiting for a setting of the longer term direction on the Great British Pound, we're mostly dealing with what is going on inside of this consolidation. And yesterday we talked about the hand and shoulders pattern. So if you remember, that's the shape that we're watching for. Here it actually takes the shape of some flag pattern, something of that sort, and that was our entry point yesterday. So as you can see, overall setup has worked very, very good. So we've got this pullback, the got triple to buy has worked, but closer to the evening and the closing of the session, market returned right back down. At the same time, it doesn't break the overall concept of this trade, because you can see that major level has not been broken yet. Market just has returned right back down to it. And also, since this is a bit more extended pattern, and we discussed also if market occasionally will drop a bit lower, somewhere to 29.50, or it will not be a strategy, because this spike down stands approximately 29.50, and here's market also could reach this level, and that will not become the total consolation of this destruction of the pattern. But of course, we're hoping and would like to see that market will reestablish our production right from here. The targets that we have is actually based on the hand and shoulders and this A, B, C, bottom, D pattern. So now it stands 31.60. If somehow it still will happen that we will start from the 29.50, it will be 31.25, 31.30 approximately. So that's what we are watching for right now. Let's see what we have on the hourly chart, because hourly actually is now a major battlefield on the Great British Pound. That was our yesterday's setup. Very good trade. You can see got this triple to buy right at the confidence and agreement. Great reaction. So guys, I do not know what you have done with the opposition, but if you haven't booked any profit here and you still keep it, well, you can see market hasn't broken yet the major support area. The major support cluster is just returned it back down and stands in a consolidation around it. So chances on the immediate upward action here exist. Here we also have some bullish hidden divergence with this. As you can see, these points, this MACD, now it's taking the shape of the triangle as well. If market will take it out of these lows, in this case we'll start to watch for next entry opportunities, 29.47, which also creates an agreement with the XOP target, the same ABCD pattern. It means that our major invalidation point still stands here. But if you're not satisfied this market return right back down right after this rally, well, You could make your own decision, so you could close at the break even because our entry was precisely in this point and see what will happen. If market will appear right here, you will try to take the position again. Or you just could keep the existing position because you can see nothing has been broken yet and market keeps chance on a possible upward action here. So this trade is still valid. Let's keep watching how situation will develop here.